Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good middle of the night, whatever time it is that you've decided to watch my little video. I decided that for this assignment I would like to attempt to teach everyone how to make animated GIFs. This is something I've just learned how to do recently. Maybe you guys already know it, but I was fascinated by it and still am fascinated by it. So that's what I'm going to do. This is going to be animated GIFs using a series of photos. So I've already taken about 20 photos of a little Lego figure that I created, and we're going to be able to turn that into an animated GIF of the Lego building itself. So in order to get started, we move over here to File in the top left-hand corner, and we go down to Scripts. We go down to Load Files into Stack. Now we need to browse and find the pictures that I took before. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I have done this video several times trying to get it right, and the last time I did it, I didn't take all the pictures in. So now I'm making sure that I get them all. So you click OK, it pulls them over, you click OK again, and now they zoom into Photoshop for us. And you can see in the bottom right hand corner where they are coming into the layers section, because it turns each photo into a different layer for the GIF. And I'm not sure if it's pronounced GIF or GIF. I want to say GIF, but I think everybody says GIF, so please forgive me if I use both terms while I'm talking tonight. Alright, so sometimes you can see, not sometimes, down here underneath the main screen area, it says timeline, and this is where we're going to see our little frames in a minute. But in order for that to happen, we need to create the frame animation. So we click on this button, and then still we only got one. What's up with that? So there's this wonderful little drop-down menu, the bottom right, or the right-hand corner at the top of the timeline. We click on that, we go up to Make Frames from Layers. So now it's going to pull all of the layers into our timeline. So there you see my little planter with 3 Lego flowers in it. That's actually the last picture, and it keeps pulling them in backwards like that. So I need to reverse the order of the pictures, but first I'll show you, I'll let you watch it play once. So down here, just above where the Microsoft Office main button is a little play symbol, so we can play the GIF. It's all over, but it went backwards. Instead of being built, it unbuilt. So what we need to do is I'm going to hold down the Shift key and select one of the frames, and then go to that little magic drop-down window and say Reverse Frames. Now let's play it. So now it did it in the right order. I have all the pictures, yay. So all I need to do is, I think it was kind of fast, don't you? Let's change it has 0 seconds for every picture. Let's play it one more time. It takes no time. So we want to be able to see each little step a little bit. So I'm going to do the Shift one more time, select whoops, that didn't work. Shift and select all. There, now we got them all. And let's change the seconds, the amount of time per frame, to 0.2 seconds and see how that looks. Oh, I like that better. So pretty much we're done. Isn't that something? So now, in order to save it, go to File, and then in my version of Photoshop, you go to Export and Save for Web, which I guess is an old way of doing this, and click on that because it's called Legacy. Now, the image size is pretty big. Let's make it a little bit smaller so that the GIF is not so heavy. We'll make it 800. And then we save it. I want to put it here in my animated GIF file, and I'm going to call it Lego Flowers 1 and save. And then let's go to that file and see how it looks on the web. Here it is. Click on it, right click, and open with some web browser. For some reason only Internet Explorer comes up in mine. So there you can see that that it works on the web. And we're all done. I'd like to thank everybody for taking the time to watch my little video, and I hope that maybe you learned something. See you around virtually every week. Talk to you later.